I want to make a quick video. This is the Mountain Pass Performance caster arm inserts that are installed here. What I used to install these was some rubber cement as the lubrication, a little flathead screwdriver as a little like chisel, like a pin to knock them in, some gloves of course, and a rubber mallet. That's a little cheap $3 one from Walmart. It's not gonna last long, but those things together, I was able to put the inserts into the arm as such and pin them in, and when they're successfully installed, they should be sitting flat like that. And on the back side, you should see that lip catching around the back side of the rubber, like you're seeing there. That's what the correctly installed looks like. That way they're not able to slide back out. And also, the orientation should be, they should be knocked in down like that, where that bolt is facing down. And that's the way they should be knocked in. And that lip should be catching on the bottom, because when the arm's installed in the car, it'll be like this, where they're sitting in the grooves. Same thing with the other arm. It's knocked in where the lips are catching around the rubber, where it cannot come back out. And the top side is sitting flush, or flush as can be. Biggest thing is, as long as that lip's catching around the bottom, it can't come back out. So I've just got these sitting here with a little rubber cement. This stuff is rubber safe, so it's not going to hurt the bushing. And once that dries, it'll be a nice secure fit on these, and I'll be ready to install in the car.